Welcome back. I'm Frankie, and today we're talking about old standbys. My old standbys fall in the category of Pothos. I started out years ago with the global green Pothos. I had so many of them. My son said, "Mom, you have a lot of plants, but they're the same ones." I didn't know any better. I saw green. I was able to get something to grow. So this is my signature plant. You're going to see it in just about every room. You're going to see a collection of them, of these. But since that time, I have branched out, and now I have 4 different kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different kinds, of which at the time I didn't know exist, other than this one right here. Now this right here is called the Cebu Blue, and at one time it was very coveted. At one time it was very expensive. I looked on a plant site the other day, and it's still $150 for a much bigger one, of course. But then I acquired this one from a simple place like either Lowe's or Walmart, or for just $18. And this is a Cebu Blue. You can see that it's a vine. I've already cut some of it off so that I can start and have more than one Cebu Blue. But right now this is the only one I have. And this is the Pearl and Jade Pothos. See how beautiful that is? And the next one is the Silver Satins, Scindaptus pictus Pothos. And here we have the Marble Queen. Now this one, this is a baby to the mother that's out in the rain because it's raining here, and I put her out so that she can get some fresh water. So this is the baby. I propagated it, and it has grown this big. Now this one, I managed to get 3 of these. I have 3 of these. When I got this one, it was a little bitty thing, and it has grown much. I've even cut some of it off and given to some girlfriends. But this beauty is the Neon Pothos. So now we have the Golden Pothos. I've always had this, some of these, golden and the global green. But all of these Pothos basically come under the same care. They are staples. They are like I said, my old standbys, and they're easy care plants. I can go almost a month without watering this, and then I showed you when the leaves curl, that's when they need water. And another thing that they love is to be crowded. So I showed you in another video how to do that, and I'll just go quickly here. That if that vine is really, really long and you want it to be thick, just curl that vine back and put it under the soil in the same pot. Or I have a lot of them around here where I'm propagating, and in the spring I'm going to, because I want one big full global green Pothos, so I'm gonna put a lot of cuttings in that same pot and see how that turns out. But they don't require that much. They basic soil, they're low light. They can take low light, but all plants need some kind of light in order to live and be green and be beautiful. So the Pothos is one of the plants that I know when they say easy care, it is really easy care, and it's easy to propagate It's easy to grow. It doesn't, if you keep it fed and watered, and that's basically all you have to do, other than light. Because I can feel comfortable with a pothos and going on vacation, ignoring it for a little bit. Can't ignore it forever, but it's not a stressful plant to possess.